welcome back to Wrap Your Ride San Antonio. Today we have a Cybertruck. We did this in a pure gloss black paint protection film. This is a new cosmetic paint protection film company that's out on the market. We've tested the product, research and development. We think that it's a great product to start offering. So of course this is our first gloss black. We had a couple things we wanted to show you today. We wanted to show you the clarity of the paint protection film, and the way we were going to do that is an old detailing trick where you do a paint correction and of course you put the $100 bill on. You can see the reflection of it, and then of course you pan out and then you can actually see how clear it is. Well, we ceramic coated this one, so we're lucky that we got that to stick right now. We've been trying it for about 50 different times, but you can see the clarity of it. In terms of the actual ceramic coating, we did an Angel Wax Nano ceramic coating. We're the only licensed, accredited installer here in San Antonio. So of course this has our 5-year on it. You're probably wondering why I'm standing here with a key and a pin in my hand. The reason for that is because we're actually going to show you the power of paint protection film. This is a color that Pure actually has. It's a green metallic. I'm just going to pop this off here and we're just going to show you the power of paint protection film real quick. I'm going to use a key. I'm going to try and stab through it with the key. And we'll see here the stretch on it. No rips, no tears. We're going to try and do it with the key. No rips, no tears. Now we'll try it with the pin. I'm gonna break the damn pin actually. There it goes finally. I have to almost break the pin just to get it through. So very, very strong stuff. We are offering cosmetic paint protection film for most vehicles, most makes and models. You would have to stop in and get a more thorough answer on that, as some are a little bit more aggressive, so we tend to not be able to do those. But this is a great example of one that we can do. This is actually, I can't count how many Cybertrucks we've done, but this is the first that we've done in a pure paint protection film. We're extremely pleased with it. Have a look at it, have a look around, look at the clarity. And again, we do have some ceramic coat on it. So we'll go ahead and show you. This is our 5-year ceramic coating, okay? This is a hydrophobic test. Beads right off. Really, really cool stuff, guys. Don't be sold snake oil. Get the real ceramic coating.